and I have to protect the phone because it's raining. I need to try to... Oh, there's another train over there.
What?
There's another train. There's two trains. Better hurry up to the platform. Connor, hurry! Wait, he's on track 2. Let's go. The crap is a shopping cart doing over there? We'll check it out in a minute. Once these trains. There's a power move. The power move. You guys, look, it's a power move. A yard switcher. There he is. There's a train. Oh my. Explored the abandoned mall. Didn't get inside though. Couldn't get inside. There's a shopping cart right there. Oh, he's coming. That train's coming. Awesome. Like that train over there was coming, and then that power move just came. Tired green stuff locomotive. Oh, it's raining. It's getting shade. Getting shade. That's the plan. It's raining. Oh yeah, those tanker cars are covered in water. Great. Let's go check out the shopping cart over there. This is no fun. It's raining. Come on. Oh. Okay, it's storming. I put this shopping cart right here. He's protected. It's okay. Yes. It'll be over. My brother's being dramatic. Because the kiddie shows he watches, thinks that if it's raining, you get inside. For me, heck no. I want to run. While we're doing something important, let's keep on doing it. This just started, by the way. Oh man, at least I got a good shot of that train. This will be over soon.
Hey!
Yeah, probably run to the shade. This is awesome. Shopping cart. I'm not taking him now. He might come in the shade over there with us, but once we leave the station, we'll have to put him back to where he was. Until Hy-Vee, wherever he came from, comes back for him. We won't take the shopping cart home, but we'll at least let him railfan with us. By the way, guys, I'm not taking this home. It's not mine. This is not a retired shopping cart, so it doesn't belong to me. It belongs to Hy-Vee. Oh, yep, it belongs to Hy-Vee. That's what it's from. I can tell. I can tell because of the light. Wait, where'd it go? Yep, it's Hy-Vee because of red. We'll go once this rain ends. I doubt it ends. Let's try to go in the shade.